Wow, looks good. Some
It looks so good in color.
Okay, today we are going to make like Chinese most common, classical and comfort tomato
Home style food.
Yeah, tomato, egg,
Stir fry.
stir fry. Okay, the first we show the ingredients. First, like five tomato, 6 eggs, and garlic, ginger. And Chinese, this is the Chinese like green onion. And also we need like this called what? Seasoning, right? Seasoning like white pepper, salt, sugar, kimchi, ketchup, soy sauce, cilantro, and this is
Oyster sauce.
oyster sauce. If you do not have this, it's fine. Okay, let's do the Chinese food always to do with the 葱姜蒜. It's like a Chinese onion and garlic and ginger. So this is called the pisli, right? Cut to pisli.
Cut into pieces.
Cut to pieces. And this, we use 2 sides. The onion, the white, we call the onion white, and also the leaves.
Do they have different tastes?
Yeah, the taste. This onion white is like most really strong, and the green leaf is kind of fresh. We use this. The tips for the most important thing for these dishes, like to cook like the egg first, and then cook the tomato and mix it together, like the eggs to absorb in the tomato juice. Garlic.
These are the staple ingredients in any Chinese dish.
Yeah.
Green onion, garlic, and ginger.
So for Italy, it's kind of what? For Italian food,
Italian food, olive oil,
always have
tomato sauce, probably.
tomato sauce, and like
Butter,
always
maybe.
have black pepper.
Black
And this
pepper.
like they always have like 葱姜蒜, like ginger.
And
Okay, this is this is ginger, and then we piece the tomato. The tomato, we keep we try to keep the sauce, like you keep like up, got to keep the sauce as much as possible. Like
keep the tomato.
The sauce, you have to keep the sauce. We want the dish to have a lot of tomato sauce.
Tomato juice.
Tomato juice, yeah. Okay, simple. And then next to do the eggs. Okay, the 5 eggs.
What do we do with the eggs?
We should put in the, so it's fight the egg, no?
Fry?
Kick the egg to evenly. Put in a bowl.
Beat the eggs.
Beat the egg evenly. Okay, the eggs. They have some tips. If you want to fry egg, you have to put white pepper and also a little bit of water. And
White pepper and water?
yeah, and you know why?
No.
Because the water could keep the eggs more soft and like a flexible, right?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Yeah. Because the high temperature always makes the temperature why put the white pepper or in West always black pepper? Because they do not want the flavors, like blood, the 腥味, the eggs.
Oh yeah.
We cover that flavor.
Yeah, actually I really hate that.
Yeah. So actually eggs always have like kind of blood like flavor. Put some salt. And then stirring with tiny chops. Just heat the egg even, right?
Heat the egg evenly.
Yeah, put a little bit of water. Yeah.
Did you want to add any peppers this time?
Oh, I forgot. And pepper, yeah, give it the peppers. Forgot. And depending on you like it or not, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
1 gram. If you like this spicy, you should use the chili pepper, the dry chili pepper. And also the ingredient didn't introduce, you should to, but the white one maybe not necessary.
Peppercorns.
Peppercorn maybe not necessary.
Yeah, I don't think so. Here are our peppers, like nail peppers.
Okay, and actually, if you don't have any green pepper, it's fine. It's like you like a Mexican jalapeno. Jalapeno pepper is really good with that. But today I don't have Chinese pepper.
Yeah.
It's the same. It's like Chinese version. What call this?
Those are just green peppers.
And what's the Mexican one? So put the Chinese onion, green onion, and stir right? Stir fry. A little bit. The green onion like tend to little bit yellow. That is ready, and you can smell the aroma, the onion aroma. That's ready. Now the video. You use high power. See like this kind of yellow. That's perfect. You can make most the edge have tint to the yellow, and then the onion release the aroma in the oil, and then you can put the egg liquid. See the edge tend to yellow. See the edge tend to yellow. That's the perfect time. And when you first do that, and do not need to stir it too much. You can use a middle temperature, lower a little bit middle temperature. And we try to make the eggs like a big pieces.
Yeah. It's like scrambled.
Right.
It's starting to stick to the bottom.
Sticking, but not stick to the can. You can tell, and you can move.
It's forming an omelet.
Yeah, forming an omelet. Yeah, and just do this.
From an omelet to scrambled eggs.
To the liquid to the other side. To the bottom, and put this to the top.
Yeah.
And it's still weak. This is the left for you fry.
Okay.
We stir fry tomato.
Okay.
This is how make the dishes successful. This is the most important. Cook the egg first. Make the form to big pieces.
Yeah, that's what we noticed was really good this time. Last time.
See, this one you can take. Now can make a little bit big pieces. And then you can fry it. Okay, make other turn over, right?
Yeah.
Turn over and flip it. And then see, it's almost ready, right? It's even a little liquid. Don't worry, because heating the key could cook themselves. The main thing, do not cook too much. So I'm turning off the power.
Turn off the heat.
Eggs back. Okay, if you finish the first part, and let's do the second part. Still, also put some oil. Right? Yeah, a little bit. Put some olive oil. Now already a little bit hot, so we can put the onion in there and the garlic and ginger really quickly. And then, okay, no.
I think it's great.
No, not taste good. So keep it back.
I can close it.
Do not keep too much. Okay, now we can put the water. This put tomato and also put some white pepper. red pepper, and put the soy sauce. Kimchi.
No, not kimchi.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Put a little bit this for what?
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Put the sauce. Put the sugar. Okay, and you can lower a little bit. If you do not want spicy,
Dried chili.
the chili.
It's fine. Yeah, it's okay.
And the green peppers last minute, and the cilantro. I smell the garlic.
Yeah,
Smell.
you have to smell the aroma of the garlic. A lot of our little things here are dirty. We need to clean this.
Okay, so we can let me taste it. Some sweet, some sugar, and then put the eggs. Make the eggs like opposite with the tomato juice. See the opposite of the juice. If it's too big, you can cut a little bit. And then you can put
Do you want to use the little tomatoes?
no, this is the green, the green pepper. Also to put in. Just boil like this, boil like 1 minute will be okay. And if you want to be thicker, you can put some corn. Okay, and the last step. What's the last step?
The last step is cilantro and sesame oil.
Yeah. Cilantro. Cilantro and this sesame oil. You ready?
Wow, Gaga.
Is she ready?
It's a nice.
Take one. Fresh lemon juice.
Oh,
Lemon
lemons are
juice.
getting bad.
Which one?
They're really soft.
Okay. Okay. Wow, looks good. Looks so good. Taste. A lemon juice. A lemon taste. Good. With pepper. A little bit
Yeah, we
spicy.
almost forgot about the peppers.
Not that sweet.
It looks delicious.
Really. Okay. This is one plate. Eat it first.
Wow. On your.
Because I like liquid. Okay. That's it?
Yeah. I'm coming.
And also like it's good to eat the rice, put it in the rice and make together, it's so yummy.
Yeah.
Let me taste. this hamburger. I made a hamburger. Tomato egg hamburger.
And pickles.
真的太口 yummy. So good.
Thank you, guys. It looks so good and colorful. It's the same as last time.
Do you think salty enough? We want salty?
It's perfect.
Good.
It's really good. Yeah, you can take that off the.
Give a comment.
Huh?
Get a comment.
It's the best home style comfort food I've ever had.
Okay. Okay, today is our meal. See you tomorrow. What is it?
No.
Say that.
Next time we'll make some other amazing Chinese dishes like.
What do you want? You can order now.
Let's see.
Order for the chef. I'm your chef. We have beef.
Yeah, we have beef.
All you want is the oyster, the 鱿鱼.
Oh yeah, we can try an octopus dish.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
tomorrow octopus fish.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll plan on it.
Okay.